Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sylvia Wulandari. I would like to explain and demonstrate how to teach grammar using deductive approach and drilling technique. Alright, what is a deductive approach? Deductive approach is a top-down approach that focuses on instruction before practice. Erlang in 2003 defines the deductive approach as the process that moves from the general to the specific one, that the learner are exposed to the general rule and then they apply the rule to specific or particular example of language use. It is a teacher-centered approach to presenting new content to the learner. In a simple way, a deductive approach to teaching language starts by giving explanation or rules and then examples and then practice. Deductive approach is a more effective and time-saving way under certain circumstances. Besides, most of the material can be easily taught and it encourages faster learning of material. Alright, to help the learners remember the grammar pattern, I will also use repetition and substitution drill. Hammer states that drilling is mechanical ways of getting the students to demonstrate and also to practice their ability to use specific language items in a controlled manner. In repetition drill, the teacher says the word and the students repeat it, while in substitution drill, the teacher changes one or more words during the drill. Alright, in this occasion, I would like to teach have and has as main verb to express position or ownership. Have dan has. Kita sekarang akan belajar mengenai penggunaan have dan has. Oke, sini bisa dilihat sini. Oke, apa sih have dan has itu? Di sini. Have dan has itu di sini materi kali ini digunakan sebagai main verb atau kata kerja utama. Ini digunakan untuk express possession or ownership, kepemilikan. Untuk mengungkapkan kepemilikan. Apa sih kepemilikan? Ada yang tahu? Kami. Contohnya gini. Miss punya power bank. Kata punya di sini adalah contoh dari have. Great. Nah, seperti itu. I have a power bank. Itu contohnya. Berarti have dan has di sini sebagai kepemilikan. Kita punya ini. Kamu punya masker. Nah, kayak gitu. Itu punya, oke? Punya atau mempunyai kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia yang lengkap. Next, oke, nih di sini kita akan belajar dua, positif dan negatif. Positif berarti punya, kalau negatif tidak punya. Oke, great. That's really great point. Nah, ada pattern atau pola rumus kalau dalam matematika. Rumusnya seperti ini. Subject, ya, plus have or has tambah objek. Coba, subject, ingat-ingat, subject, have, or itu atau, has, plus objek. Jadi tinggal s tambah have atau has tambah o. Nah, itu simpelnya. Coba, s tambah have or has tambah o. O itu objek di sini ya. Tuh. Nah, kalau negatif di sini ada subject tambah do not have. Ada do not have atau do not have itu untuk have. Kalau has negatifnya apa? Doesn't have atau does not have. Ingat, are you with they, she, he, it. Nah, ada dua kelompok ya, are you with they, she, he, it di sini. Oke? Untuk are you with they kita pakainya have. Oke, ingat kalau subjeknya are you with they kita pakai have. Kalau positif, kalau kita punya. Kalau negatif tinggal tadi do not have atau pendeknya biar gampang don't. Coba don't. Next example. Nah, ini contoh-contohnya nih. I have 2 cats. Berarti
saya mempunyai 2
kucing, cats. Kalau tidak punya tuh, I don't have a cat. Don't have. I don't have. Coba.
I don't have
A cat.
a cat.
Berarti next, we
We
kalau ini we don't. Ingat, we don't have a car. Berarti kita tidak punya car. Nah, ini lanjut. Kalau they tadi pakai have. They have 3 pens di sini ya. Ini tinggal negatifnya tinggal pakai don't have karena ininya they. Don't have ininya pakai they ya. They pakainya don't have karena negatifnya. Nah, ini kalau she berarti pakai has. She has 2 sisters. Punya. Great. Let's practice. Nih. They have brown hair. We. Kalau we
Have.
jadi
We have
brown
brown
hair. Okay, great. Kalau she
She has brown
hair. Great. Berarti it has white fur. Kalau negatifnya
It doesn't have white fur.
great. But she doesn't have a TV. Kalau we
We don't
don't have
have
a
TV.
berarti good. We don't have tadi karena she doesn't have. Jadi we don't have a TV. Okay, great job.